Well, hello YouTubers. Here we are, another weekend. We're finally into the spring of the year, and just a short little update. Here's the first clip of it. As you can see, the old horse barn, it's missing something. The old International 430 square baler. I was trying to decide if I wanted to spend the effort and money on repair. Well, I decided to let it go. Actually had a guy come get it today, and he seems happy as can be with it, so that'll work. I got rid of that. 430 is gone now, so I got the replacement baler. So I got that New Holland 655, can't get my numbers straight. So I got that 565 New Holland square baler now to replace it. Hopefully be a little bit less hassle-free situation. But anyway, yeah, so I'd make one section of this where it's like the 430 square baler International found a new home, and go from there. Give me a little bit and I'll think of something else. Well, YouTubers, here we go. Another week, another addition to this little video. As most of you know, we've purchased a 565 New Holland baler. And as I mentioned before on this one already, I've sold the old International 430 baler, and gotta give a shout out. I'm gonna give a shout out to Michigan Farming. He saw the video last week of this baler, and he was immediately a big help in an effort to locate and find manuals, repair manual, and for just a general purpose and all the stuff with the baler, and repair manual for the tying and twisting, pressing, and all that. But he jumped on the internet, he found me some manuals and pointed in my direction, so thanks, Michigan Farming. I appreciate that a bunch. So now I will know everything I don't need to know about a baler, or however you want to think about that. But yeah, more than I ever want to know about a baler now. I got the manual, so I don't have quite the excuse to not fix it, but the occasional excuse of I don't think I can do that. But for the most part, I got the manuals now. So other than that, I think what else we got we can update on? Let's do an update. Update. I start flipping through the manual. Got the baler here in my shop, as you can see. Well, kind of. But got it in my shop. I'm going to start greasing it up, go through it, make sure it's definitely good to go. Another YouTuber, I can't remember the individual's name off the top of my head. Wished I could right now, because I really want to say thank you, but to him in person, and more personalized thank you. But the individual made a suggestion that before I put a tractor on this thing, get it going, to crank it over by hand, make sure everything moves, the plunger doesn't hit the knives, or plunger knives don't crash, make sure that the plunger and the needles don't hit and make for a heck of a crash. I have hand cranked the baler over, and I have actually got more junk in here. But yeah, I've hand cranked the baler over, made sure that, you know, no real wear into these, like they've been hitting anywhere. They're not hit too bad. Watch the nodder cycle. Actually triggered the cams on them and watched them cycle. It looks like my timing's right with the plunger and the needles. So I'm hoping this is going to be threaded up, grease it up, and go to the field and make bales. Just got to wait on the grass to grow, and of course the grass is gradually starting to grow. It's getting warm enough now to where it's finally getting warm enough where the grass is going to start greening up and start growing, and before you know it, it'll be time to get the disc mower out and knock the hay down and rake it up and see how good this purchase here was. But anyway, there's you a quick one. I'll get this uploaded here shortly. I know you already know that, you're going to be watching it, but get this video finished up, and as always, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you'd like to. I do appreciate when you do comment, and so I like to interact with you. And once again, Michigan Farming, thanks for suggesting the manuals. Y'all take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.